creating anime artwork used to require hours of drawing, refining details, and adjusting styles. But what if you could create high-quality anime characters in minutes instead? Have you ever tried generating your favorite anime character with an AI only to get something completely unrecognizable? Wrong face, wrong style, wrong details. Many AI image generators struggle with anime aesthetics, producing results that don't match what you imagined. That's exactly the problem PixAI was built to solve. PixAI is an AI image generator designed specifically for anime-style creation, and it's already trusted by over 10 million users worldwide. Instead of trying to cover every art category imaginable, PixAI focuses on helping creators generate anime characters, illustrations, fan art, original designs, and even anime videos with far more consistency and accuracy. Best of all, you can start creating completely free. When you first open PixAI, everything feels beginner-friendly. There's no complicated setup process, confusing parameters, or technical workflow to learn. You simply enter a prompt, choose a model, apply a style if needed, and generate your image. For this example, I'm starting with a simple anime character concept. Beautiful anime girl, makeup fabulous. Idolmaster style, blonde hair, blue eyes, soft smile, highly detailed anime illustration, clean line art, vibrant anime colors. After entering the prompt, I can choose from several anime-focused models available inside PixAI. One model I particularly want to highlight is Tsubaki 2. This is PixAI's next-generation anime model. It handles character details extremely well, understands composition better than many general-purpose image generators, and produces strong lighting and shading even from simple prompts. Whether you're creating fan art, original characters, or stylized illustrations, Tsubaki 2 consistently delivers impressive results. Another thing I like is how easy it is to switch between models. Instead of manually adjusting dozens of technical settings, I can simply open the model library, preview available options, and choose the one that matches the style I'm looking for. Next comes one of PixAI's biggest strengths, its LoRA ecosystem. If you're unfamiliar with LoRAs, think of them as specialized style packs that instantly change the look and feel of your artwork. They allow you to apply specific artistic styles, character traits, visual themes, and aesthetics without training anything yourself. Inside PixAI's LoRA marketplace, there are thousands of community-created LoRAs available. You can browse trending options, search for specific styles, and apply them with a single click. For this example, I'm selecting a LoRA from the marketplace and applying it directly to my generation settings. Then just paste prompt here. Cute anime idol girl, sparkling makeup, glamorous anime style, detailed eyes, colorful highlights, premium anime illustration. Once selected, PixAI automatically integrates the LoRA into the generation process. I can even adjust the LoRA strength depending on how strongly I want that style to influence the final image. This makes experimentation incredibly fast because you're not constantly starting over. Instead, you're combining powerful anime models with specialized LoRAs to create unique results in seconds. Another useful feature is PixAI's style library. Rather than describing every artistic detail manually, I can browse different preset styles and instantly apply them to my image. Whether I want a classic anime look, a softer illustration style, or something more modern, PixAI makes it easy to explore different creative directions. For this demonstration, I'm applying the classic anime style. PixAI also includes Prompt Helper, which is especially useful for beginners. If you're not sure how to write detailed prompts, Prompt Helper can automatically improve and expand your ideas, helping you achieve better results without learning complicated prompt engineering techniques. Another feature worth highlighting is the PixAI Toolbox. The Toolbox contains a collection of one-click creative modes designed to make creation faster and easier. Instead of building everything manually, you can access preset workflows that help generate different styles, character concepts, and creative outputs with minimal effort. These tools lower the barrier to entry and make PixAI much more approachable for users who simply want great results without spending hours learning advanced settings. Now, let's try one of the most popular Toolbox presets, the Stadium Big Screen Generator. All I have to do is open the preset, then I can either upload my own character image, or simply use one of the anime characters I already generated inside PixAI. I'll choose one of my existing images, click Generate, and within just a few moments, my character appears on a giant stadium screen. Once it's ready, I can download the final image with a single click and share it wherever I want. Next, let's check out the character ad generator. The process is just as simple. I simply open the preset, choose one of my generated characters or upload my own image, then click Generate. Within seconds, PixAI creates a realistic billboard-style advertisement featuring my character. When it's finished, I can download the final result with a single click. Next, after selecting my model, LoRA, and style, it's time to generate the final image. Within moments, PixAI produces a polished anime illustration featuring clean facial details, strong coloring, expressive eyes, and impressive character consistency. The results look significantly more refined than what many users expect from a simple text prompt. But PixAI isn't limited to image generation. One of the most exciting features available is image to video. Instead of stopping at a static image, PixAI allows you to transform an anime illustration into a short animated video. This opens up entirely new creative possibilities for content creators, anime fans, storytellers, and social media creators. For example, after generating an anime character, I can move into the video section and use that image as the starting frame. Anime girl slowly smiling, gentle head movement, soft hair motion, cinematic camera movement, anime-style animation. With a simple motion prompt, PixAI generates animated sequences directly from the original artwork. This means you can go from a single image to an animated anime-style scene without needing traditional animation software.
You're here.
For creators looking to make short clips, social content, character showcases, or visual storytelling projects, this feature adds a lot of value. What makes PixAI particularly appealing is how accessible the entire workflow feels. You don't need professional drawing skills, you don't need expensive software, and you don't need years of experience working with AI tools before creating impressive results. Whether you're generating original characters, creating fan art, experimenting with new visual styles, or producing anime videos, PixAI provides a workflow that feels fast, creative, and beginner-friendly. Between anime-specialized models like Tsubaki 2, the massive LoRA ecosystem, style library, prompt helper, Toolbox, and image-to-video capabilities, it's easy to see why PixAI has become one of the most popular AI platforms for anime creators. If you'd like to try PixAI for yourself, check out the link in the description and start creating your own anime artwork and animations today.